मुंबईत जाल्ल्या ISL ड्राफ्टा उपरांत FC गोवाचो मालक अक्षय टंडन नवो कोच सर्जिओ लोबेरा हांणी पत्रकार बसकेंत आपले मत मांडलें.
Yeah, so I'll do a short answer and then I'll let the coach answer that as well. I think for the most part we are happy with how the draft has turned out. We got the allotment in terms of when we picked what player in favor of what we were hoping for. And the first few picks that we had were definitely things that we were excited about and had planned for. We had planned various, we planned for various scenarios, and this was one of the better scenarios the way it turned out. The first priority obviously was to have a well-balanced squad. The second priority was to ensure that if there was an opportunity to pick a Goan player versus another player, we would pick the Goan player as long as it matched our requirements. And I think we've done that. I think we have now 9 Goans in the squad, which is I think the highest we've had. So that's definitely sort of worked. We did miss out on Adil and Romeo, who were part of our list, and they've been sort of with us. So yeah, it would have been nice, but we knew we weren't going to be able to sign everyone because that's the nature of the draft.
Estoy muy contento porque hoy hemos obtenido el resultado de un trabajo de muchos días por parte de mucha gente del club.
I'm very content today because this is a result of a lot of work that we've been put in over the past few days.
Un draft es difícil, es complicado, no puedes tener todo lo que desearías.
A draft is a difficult process. You cannot always have the sort of players that you want.
Pero dentro de las posibilidades que podíamos elegir, estamos contentos con el equipo que hemos formado.
But within the possibilities that we had to choose from, I think we're very happy with the way we've picked up players.
Hay un equipo joven, un equipo con una media de edad que considero que es un equipo joven, pero que también con jugadores experimentados que están jugando en el equipo nacional.
I think we have a young squad, well-balanced squad, because we have players who are playing in the international, at the international level as well. We have 2 national level players.
Entiendo la idea desde el primer día que llegué al club y también el hecho de poder elegir tantos jugadores de Goa creo que es algo muy positivo para nosotros.
And ever since I got to the club, we have always tried to focus on the Goan element, and so we're more than happy with the amount of Goan players we've got in the team as well.
गेले 3 सीझन गोवा खेळिल्लो रोमियो मात दिल्ली डायनामोजाक खेळटना आमकां अंदू दिसतलो. ताका दिल्लीन 50 लाखांक घेतलो. दुसरे वटेन FC गोवान 22 वर्सांचे ब्रँडन फर्नांडिसाक घेवन सेंट्रल मिडफिल्डान क्वॉलिटी हाडल्या. वट्ट 9 गोंयकार FC गोवाच्या पंगडान सध्या आसात. ब्युरो रिपोर्ट, प्रुडंट.